Hey guys. So while I was at work today, something absolutely blew my mind. I don't know about you, but I could hear Subi rumble a fucking mile away. You know that classic little there's no mistaking it. So immediately I'm just like, oh, Subi. So I'm waiting at the light and it gets closer and closer. Just and then suddenly the noise stops at the light. But there's no Subi there. So all of a sudden it had me thinking like, what the fuck, did I just encounter the ghost of Akina or some shit? So I wait and see, and the light turns green. I hear it again. Just I shit you not. It was an EG Civic with a boxer engine. It was like my worlds colliding, bro. This shit damn near made me nut myself.